That's quite the collection. Looking good. Time to take out the trash. You won't be needing these anymore. But I do. I'm gonna make something extra special. It's an old family recipe. It was passed down from generation to generation. It smells delicious. I'm cooking up a storm.
He's crazy. Come on, let's go. I'm right behind you. Wait, I have an idea. I'll pull this plug.
Ugh! What's happening?
Yes, it worked! Go, go, go! I can't believe he did this. Come on, speed up. Ugh, I'll get them. Move it! Whoa, what's that? It's a doll! Gimme! It's mine! Too slow! Whoa, this is so cool! I'll put the doll together. My doll is gonna be so pretty. There's one more thing to do. We can't forget about the head. But where will they live? Huh? I saw it first! So it's like that, huh? I want that doll's house. Huh. You'll have to go through me. Let's do this. You're going down. Ha! Yeah, right. Take that! I'll show you! Is that the best you've got? Don't pull my hair! What have you done? It was your fault. Uh-oh! What's happening? Where are we? Whoa! Look at this! This is so cool! I can't wait to get started. But there's one thing I need to do. This tape has to go. For sale? Not anymore. I have big plans for this. Huh? Watch where you're pointing those scissors. I'll just remove the tape. It's not so hard, is it? You always have to be dramatic. What do you think, Dolly? Ready for a room makeover? I think they are. Let's take a look around. There's a lot to do.
But I'm so sleepy.
It's almost nap time. We'll need our beauty sleep. But we can't sleep on the floor. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's get to work. I've got a piece of foam. I've sketched an octagon on it. Now I'll cut it out. Then I'll give a coat of pink paint. Once that's done, I'll wrap a pink ribbon around it. I'll go all the way around the edge. I'll stick straws around the edge to make a frame. Then I'll drape fabric over it. Now I'll add some decorations. A star can go on top. And I'll tie bows to the frame. Next I'll add a bedsheet. It's gotta be soft and cozy. And we'll need pillows. It's so cute!
I love it! Thanks!
I'm so happy. Let's try it out. You deserve the best.
Ah, that feels good.
Sweet dreams. She looks so comfortable. Huh? What's wrong? Wait!
You're seeing that, right?
Whoosh! Whoosh! Wow, you really travel in style.
I never leave home without my bat.
I like your style. See you later, little guy. What should we do first? Let me think. I've got it. I'll cut this cardboard into various shapes. Then I'll need my glue gun. I'll apply glue to the edge of the base. I don't need a lot. Just a thin line. Then I'll stick a side panel to it. I'll do this all the way around the base. I'll join the pieces together until I have a coffin. Here's the lid. Next I'll paint it. It's gotta be black. Anything else would be wrong. I'll let it dry. Okay, that should do it. I need to decorate the inside. I have this foam and fabric. It'll make a great bed. I'll gently push it into the coffin. Now I'll line the edges with this lace fabric. It's gonna look so good. I've got this ornament for the lid. I'll stick it right here. Then I'll add some gems. It just makes it more stylish. Coffins can be classy. The pillow can go at the top. I think that's it. I'm so jealous. All I have is a boring old bed.
Whoa, it's great.
Get in there. You'll have the best sleep. I'll close the lid over. No one will disturb you.
That is so weird. I can't sleep now. I'll have nightmares. Hello? A lizard!
This is the worst! What are you screaming for? Aw, it's adorable! Get rid of it! Ha! You're so scared. Catch! Huh? What am I supposed to do with this? Hang on. I know what to do. I'll tear it into pieces. Now I'll place them into a bowl. I want to soak them. I'll squeeze out the excess water. I want to press and shape the toilet paper. I'm gonna mold it. I need to do this before it dries. That's what I'm looking for. Then it'll harden. Now I can paint it, but I'm gonna use glue. I want to coat it. That's perfect. Time for the next part. I'll place it on some cotton. I'll scrunch the cotton over it. I'll press it all down. Until I have something like this. I'll add more cotton right here. Then I can add color. I'm gonna use a pink pen. This is gonna be the face. I'll use a black pencil to shade the body. Then I'll stick 2 eyes to it. I'll put a bow around the neck. And finally, I'll stick whiskers to the face. Aw, it's such a cute little kitty. I hope this works. I need you to be mean. I believe in you. You can do this. Scare away that lizard.
Oh, hello. Looks like I've got a new pet. It's gone! Phew! You did great!
Wow, this is great. You're just beautiful.
Hey, what are you doing? That's my lizard.
We need to give it a makeover. It needs a new look. And I have just the thing. It's like a lizard salon. This color really suits you. Wow, you're really pulling this off. Now I'll make those eyes sparkle. So stylish. You look better than ever. But we can do more. Let's give you some spikes. Oh yeah, that's more like it. And you'll need a collar. This wire will do the job. And I'll attach a chain to it. I think that's us finished. Take a look at this. Pretty cool, huh? It's time for walkies. Here you go. It's better than a dog. You're gonna get so many compliments.
Yeah, I love it. Who's the best lizard? This is thirsty work. That's better.
Huh? What's that smell? Oh, I stink! You're telling me. I'll be right back. This is so embarrassing. This won't take long. Splish splash. It's so relaxing.
I needed that. Uh-oh, I drank too much. I need to pee. Where's the toilet? This is an emergency! Ah!
Huh? That doesn't sound good. But I was enjoying this. I'm on my way. Are you okay? What's that? I think I can use this. I'm sorry about this, Ducky, but I need to take your head off. That'll do. Now I need yellow modeling clay. I'll fold and squeeze it. I want to mold it into a stand. I'll stick the duck body to it. I'll press it down to make sure it's secure. Now I'll paint it white. No one has a yellow toilet. But I'll make it stand out. I'll stick gems around the side. And how about some gold? That's one fancy-looking toilet. Oh, I almost forgot. You'll need somewhere to sit. Now I can attach the head to it. I'll put it right here. I'm pretty happy with that. You better hurry up. I don't want to mop up your mess.
That's better. It feels so good. I was getting worried.
Phew, I'm glad I could help. That was a close call. Too much information.
That stinks. I'm gonna throw up.
Oh no! Hold it in! We're almost at the toilet.
I can't reach. A little help. Come on!
This is hard to watch. Hang on. I know what to do. Let's go. I should have thought of this earlier. Don't look at me like that. I've not started yet. First, I'll cut the top off the bottle. Then I'll paint it black. Then I'll need a piece of black foam. I'll cut that into a circle. It needs to be slightly bigger than the bottle. I'll place the foam on top. I'll stick it in place. Then I'll make a base for it. I'll join them together. This crown will be useful. I'll put a red ball in it. I'll take a piece of purple modeling clay. I'll give it a squeeze. And then roll it into a sausage shape. That's long enough. I'll join the ends to make a loop. And then put it on top of the ball. I'll stick another piece of clay inside it. I'll put lengths of clay over the ball. Then it needs to be painted black. Now it can go on the toilet. But I'm still not done. I'll add stars and moons to it. I'll do the same on the base. I just need to put a chain on it. And that's it. This is the ideal spot. It's just what you need. Wait, you need to be sick! I was getting carried away.
Don't look at me.
That's pretty nasty. Don't judge. There's nothing like a room makeover, even if you are a doll. Who do you think made the best room? Betty or Meg? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.